Hey guys, what is up? This is Rai and welcome to another sneaker unboxing video. We are going to unbox this pairs sa likod ko. So this pairs came earlier this week. I'm shooting this Saturday, September 7. So dumating to while I wasn't around and then I picked it up kaya lang September 7. We are in the process kasi of transferring homes again. But that's for another topic, another video. But ito, meron tayong dalawang World Balance pairs here. So these are both size 11 pairs. World Balance, shoutout sa inyo. Salamat for these pairs. So quick unboxing lang. Pero bago yan, kung bago kayo sa channel na to, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a video. Follow me on all my socials. Everything should be listed down below. And to further help this channel out, please like, comment, and share. Now, siguro, unahin natin to. So actually, this one, I made a video. Not sure if, hindi ko pa ata nagawan to ng isang long form video. Or nagawan ko na. But anyway, i-unbox ko. Tapos yung sinasabi ko before na follow-up video for this specific pair, gagawin ko in 2 weeks time. Kasi we are nga, like I said, lumilipat kami ng bahay. Lilipat kami ng bahay ngayon. Medyo maraming ginagawa. So, yun muna. First things first, of course. Pero this is the, nakita nyo na to. This is a Speedrunners. Ayan. So, it's size 11, World Balance Speedrunners. Ayan yung illustration ng sapatos. May pangalan ko pa. So, this is in the colorway of green. So, ayan siya. Medyo neon. Of course, yung mga running colors, ganyan naman. With the Trampolite 2.0. Ayan. So yeah, this is a performance runner ng World Balance. As in talagang engineered to be used in a... hindi naman siguro yung mga hardcore kasi hindi naman siya yung super cushioned na runner. Pero ito sobrang legit. Ginagamit talaga pang takbo. Tignan nyo yung Trampolite 2.0. Parang boost. Tapos, ayun yung outsoles niya. And I read sa comment sa video ko na hindi ko alam kung carbon plated din daw ito. So, I'm yet to confirm that. Pero so far, actually nakagamit na ako nito. So far, so good. But yeah, yung follow-up video, ano matawag doon, parang hindi performance review eh. Kasi if it's performance review, kailangan mo ipangtakbo ng regular. So it's more on a first impression video, reaction video siguro to some extent. But yeah, buksan natin yung isa pa. So we have here, Tenacity. Alright. So same box. Ito yung kanilang performance box na GR. It's black and orange. Ayan, may performance dyan. World Balance logo on top. Tapos, ayan siya. Size 44 euro or size 11 US World Balance. This is the Tenacity M or male. But yeah, okay. All white. Ooh. Ayan siya. All white na hindi ko alam if this can also be considered as a lifestyle runner. Pero same siya. Actually, mas mura pala to. This is 2,499 yung kanyang retail price. Yung Speedrunner is at 3,299. So sa price point pa lang you can actually tell na this one is siguro we can say more advanced than the white Tenacity pair. Itong pair na to. Para siyang yung colorway ng mga Kobe pairs na Halo white. Sobrang linis. Ito. So yung upper is mesh with some overlays of synthetic material. Yan, yung mga yan. Pero white lahat yan. May TPU clip dito sa heel area for support. Actually, yung TPU na yan extends up to the midsection. Ayan, meron din sa kabilang side. Then, we have this TPU shank under. So, this is for some midfoot. Meron tayong rubber outsoles. Yung kanyang pattern, yung traction pattern, medyo stylized, may stripes tayo dyan. Yeah. Tapos nakalagay rito is Trampolite. So I'm assuming this is the Trampolite 1.0 compared dito sa Speedrunner na yung Trampolite 2.0 naman yung gamit. So this is the 1.0 or the first generation. This is the V2 2.0. Yeah, syempre siguro isabay ko na rin ng video yung parang impression, how does it feel on feet. Siguro I can also throw some I don't know how to style, kasi syempre runners tong mga to, very straightforward lang naman na in terms of fashion, kasi hindi sila necessarily lifestyle sneakers that you can actually put different fit together with the pair. Pero this one, very straightforward, pang araw-araw siguro we can use this as well as this one. Pero ultimately, these are performance runners, performance sneakers ng World Balance. If this one is a runner, I'm thinking this one is more on the training side, the cross-training side, siguro casual workout sa gym. We can use this. Casual lang, not yung mga, syempre hindi pwede yung mga CrossFit. There's, kumbaga, prescribed footwear. Depende sa workout na ginagawa mo. Over CrossFit, pag nag-weights ka, merong mga specific sneakers para safe ka sa ginagawa mo. This one, siguro casual pwede. So yan, I think yun lang naman yung video natin. Unboxing, tapos quick description of both pairs. This is the Speedrunner and this is the World Balance Tenacity. What can you say about these pairs? Again, the Speedrunner is a performance runner by World Balance, retailing at $3,299, and the Tenacity M, or the Tenacity, World Balance Tenacity in all white, retails at $2,499. Comment down your opinions below, and kung bago kayo dito, again, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Follow me on all my socials and share this video to your friends. That's it. This has been Rai. Y'all stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.